Hey guys, pleasant good morning. Welcome to another review video from the Shopify Store Builder. Coming to you from cool Kingston, Jamaica. Let's check. I think it's around 22 degrees Celsius, 23 degrees Celsius here, and it's 3:37 a.m. So I just got finished filling some orders and decided that I wanted to review my favorite abandonment or cart abandonment app. It's super cheap. I think their original pricing was like $3 per month. Then they raised it to $4.99, and I think they raised it again to $8.99. Tentative. I think it might actually be $12.99, but it's not more than $13. So the app in question is Consistent Cart. This one can get it on the App Store. They do have a free trial, and this is what Consistent Cart does. It first and foremost, it saves your customer's cart for them. So let's say your customer came, they saw something they liked, and they said, hey, let me add this to cart. Then their kid came in, threw a tantrum, they forgot everything about what they added to cart and came back to your site. Now they see all these other things that they might not have added, or they might not want, and they might say, hey, I can't find my item, and they leave. They don't buy from you. What this does is it saves their cart. So they leave the site, they come back, and they'll see an item in their cart, the item that they added, and it has a lot more functionality than that. Here it shows you your cart activity. It shows you, well, if it gets enough time, it shows you where the customer is from. We actually have a customer from Istanbul. Gonna have to do a bit of editing here. Don't want to expose anyone's personal information. Shows you what they added to cart, their email address, the time they came, and then it goes another step. So if you check this tab, it shows you your cart metrics. It's kind of like the analytics section, but it just basically shows you what's happening through your cart. So you won't see any order details here, or not a lot of order details here. This is the shop ecom store, and this is a contracted place. I collect certain types of contracts. So yeah. So the email series, they have the option to customize abandonment emails, and this is what I do. I use their default template for now, but you can use your own. MailChimp has some amazing templates you could borrow. And what you do is you set your first email to be sent out 12 hours after, well, should be 1 hour. First one should be 1 hour after the cart has been abandoned. Then the second one should be 12 hours. And the third, I'll leave that at 36 hours and throw in a coupon. So what can you do with these emails? You can customize your shop name. You can add a customer service email address, and you can upload your site's logo, make it look really professional. You can customize this section as much as you like. There's an option to use your own email template, which is great. As I said, can check MailChimp for theirs. They have amazing templates. I've used this exact app with 3 MailChimp templates, and my recovery rate was like 34 or 35%. It's amazing. Now going on, they have push notifications. This is, those little notifications that pop up on your phone or on your desktop when a website wants to remind you of something. Now this is very, very powerful. I haven't enabled the feature yet for this store, but I have it on every other store I own. It's amazing. It brings customers right back in, like they just flock back in. And comes equipped with messenger marketing, where you can interact with your customers through the Facebook Messenger, and it works really well, as you'd guess. You could check this out as well. There's an add to cart pop-up. What this does is, as soon as your customer adds an item to their cart, a pop-up shows up asking them for their email address. With this, you're able to, send abandonment emails as soon as they've left the site. So sometimes customers will add to cart and not check out, and you can't really remarket to them because they haven't left any information. This cuts out that oversight and allows you to contact them and say, hey guys, hey, I noticed that you added this item to your cart. How about checking out? Are you still interested in this? Here's a nice coupon to continue your checkout. Then there's the title bar. What this does is, when you open the store, let's turn this on and save it. It's easier to just show you. Turn it on and save it, and then open that in the next tab. Go about here. Let's scroll about for a bit. Remember to sign up for the email list, free niche list. It's free. Let's come off that for a little bit. And there. It changes this from product niche, audience, or the original title of the page to don't forget this. So it grabs your customer's attention, but it's mainly for desktop. Then we have shop pops. This is literally like sales pop. You know that app that they charge you $9.99 for per month, that pops up and says, hey, someone from somewhere recently purchased this? Well, this has that feature as well. it comes with it. So you get the sales pop, the title bar, the add to cart pop-up, the messenger, the email series. There's also the welcome emails, the order thank you, the birthday email. All of these can be enabled. The cart metrics, and of course the cart activity. And mind you guys, the features that this is giving you for the price, it's just simply amazing. Really amazing. Like, to see what persons have been adding to their cart, you'd have to switch to the Shopify professional plan. That would run you, I think that's $70 to $80 per month versus $10 to $12 here. Huge savings, anyone? But yeah, and guys, it's a really great app. I have it on every single store. It does so much for so little. And you can get this in the Shopify app store. You have a free trial for it, and yeah, just go ahead, add it to your store if you haven't before. I know some of you guys might be using Abandonment Protector for I think $9.99. Well, for about the same price, you get the Abandonment Protector and the cart activity, plus saving the customer's cart, the email series, push notifications, and all the extra bells and whistles. So it's a good app to have. And that's about it for us this morning. And remember to check out the links below. Join our Facebook groups, Shopify Ecom for Beginners, and we'll be posting some very special content in there soon. Definitely something that no one else will be showing you. It's literally a way to make sales without the huge overhead of Facebook ads. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. And good evening, everyone.